How to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger. To enable maintenance mode in Hostinger, you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, go ahead and open up your hostinger.com, and when you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, you want to go ahead and select the manage option, and after you've actually selected that, you'll be taken to the dashboard section, which will look something like this. So over here, what you have to do is go ahead and select WordPress from the left hand side bar. When you select it, so you'll be able to find this menu. So here you want to go to maintenance mode and just toggle the button, or you could also go ahead and click on the, you could also see underneath there's other users will not be able to discover your content. So go ahead and toggle the button. As soon as you do it, so you'll be taken to the next field where you have to go ahead and make sure to make changes with all of the information, and click on edit website as well, if you want to do it. So here you could go with the WordPress update change at the bottom, and with this you'll be able to enable maintenance mode and hosting. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.